All right. So this is an example of how you can report descriptive statistics from your own model for the indicators. So for example, here you go to the data and then view, save correlation, descriptive statistics. And then it gives you this page. So here you can see, scroll down all the way down, and then you will see here the mean, standard deviation. Those are some of the, so for the indicators themselves, you will see in the video, I explained to you how my appendix, the reviewer asked me to report the mean and the standard deviation for each indicator of my constructs. So in other words, you can just copy this guy and paste it into your Word document table. So this is the mean, this is the standard deviation. And then if you want to report the maximum and the minimum, it's already provided to us as well here, if they wanted to, right? So this is, I found this to be very nice and helpful. Again, one thing that you need to keep in mind is when we have categorical variables, we need to report the frequencies and percentages, right? When we have a continuous variable or ordinal variable, we can report the mean and the standard deviation. Does that make sense to everyone? So this should be basic, and I don't want you to make that mistake wherever you are, right? So be warned and keep it and put it as a note somewhere. So when we have a dummy variable or categorical variable like race, or let's say gender, male or female, we only report the frequencies and percentages, right? We don't report the mean and the standard deviation because those are categorical variables, right? And when we are talking about ordinal or continuous variables, in this case, we will report the mean and the standard deviation. Okay, so for recording,